Tanaba aobloe. Novio mi glena bosanuba aoblo novio. Mi glena satanaba aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Mi glena bosanuba aoblo novio. Mi glena satanaba aobloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo ao mi glena bosanu ba ao vlo novio mi glena satana ba ao vlo novio mi glena bosanu ba ao vlo novio mi glena satana ba ao vlo ao vlo ao vlo ao vlo aoblo, 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 mi glena bosanuba, aoblo novio, mi glena satanaba, aoblo, ao jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe, jokato, jojo nya nya nya, jokato, jojo.
Yo, miawezo.
Yo, miawezo kaka.
Yo, akpanami. Miedo bena, ya. Miedo bena, ami apatura lao kata, ye miedo wezona miva, egbefa wana hanu. Mieda akpena Siena TV. Be le mamlera okpami be miava asrong chu miafa evegbeang be wayingo. Le egbea mia le nkura nu raka vaung mia gwa mia jabu mia jesina no nko nyanta nu fuma nko nya Dr. Emmanuel Dogbe le Department of Ever Education la University of Education Winneba ye mia pano sola da kai Kenya apanovi da serenyo Regina Adombo ano tumegba aden nu raka evaro manami Marasi amongune be wajadogoma miafa bagba ali le dodo vovono ye dala vovo la bagba ma nanu ko yogo la ne ba malle mi andana na mawa atama yida jerofa e kenya mi fa chat box sama le e ko hananya ana ko pe be miawe wanya nu da kamia wo akotu ebagbado akpanami.
Yo, ape doctor. Yo, medo wezona mi ape nyasela ople nukbola ova. Mina mi asro ebegbe pe wona oji. Tado jini ikele mi asig baja na wona blibo ya. Eye nyebe mi asro enyaye yewole ebegbe me. Vocabulary building in every. Mi asro enyaye yewole ebegbe me. Ke enyaye yawa wole nya ha vovovo me part of speech. Ta miape tadojinu leheyi yaumea ekude nkonya yemi asro no pe nko hafi atude ejicho tepema nyameke
asro ebegbe
iva mekpe mi la mesia mekpe be wava nemi asro ebegbe. Let's come on board. Nyameke akplo mi le fian ya nkonyenye desia denyo Regina Adombo. Le consider iva mienstro nu kude amegbeto pe ntinu parts of the body. Le eike me mienle nkude amegbeto pe ntinu adeo pe nko nti cho tagbo basede afogome. Ke egbea mi atude mi apenu sosroji ale nkude apemenu adeo pe nko nti household items. Miape tadojinu le egbe penu sosro me kwenye be. Miakata mi ateun ayo apemenu adeo pe nko hafi ni sosro blibu na wu enu. Miape tadojinu ema. Okay. Amene abia be fika emi amegbeto mi nona. Ndodo akwenye be apeme. Mi amegbeto wa mi nona apeme. Ata egbe a Miasron kude afemenu adewope nko nti lepegeme household items. Ape nya ide eji. Nugbanto yike umi ale nkudo le miape nsosro eya enye ape aloho house or a home ape aloho. Nemi be ape
Yeah. De mele jeli kope na mole.
ape ya nya le pokpoko. Nemi be ape a enye tepe ikemi amebeto mi nona. Enye tepe ikemi amebeto mi nona. Amedo tu na jihoho abala ikemi le kpole nono metatala me. Ame story building. Amedo ha tu na anyigba meho. Amedo to na kpoko hla oto they fence it. Amedo ha gate no na oton which is agbo no na oton. Le ape ame a vovovo ga no na ape ame. Alo tepe vovovo ga no na ape ame. Ha ike ha mizana. Ho abe miape hodome the bedroom. Hodome the bedroom. Tafla che yape amedepe alo ngodo depe which is a private. Yape amedepe alo ngodo depe. Yape chilepe which is the bedroom. The bathroom. Tafla che the bathroom. Yape chilepe. Yape jodope which is the kitchen. Yape jodope which is the kitchen. Yape hohonu the compound. Le miape living room. Miape godeme pe tepe ike mi no na head dia deme the living room. Tepe vovovo ha ga no na ape ame. Da ke egbe a dehe yi ta. Mi akọ tepe eveku alo ko eve. Miape ale nkude tepe ma ope nzazao pe nko nti. Okay, mi ai first slide. Tepe gbanto ike umi ale nkudo le ape me a eya enye miape hodome the bedroom hodome the bedroom hodome ha mi yo ebe hodome ela bena enye tepe ike mi mulo na anyido ne didi temi anwa tepe ma mi mulo na enke na de mi aji hafi mi fona enye tepe ike mi dinade emele ne didi temi anwa eya enye miape hodome Neyebe mi gere mi afe hodome a no gbanto ike mi adejesia eya nye mi afe aba the bed aba the bed amedo tonye na abati no ba abati a table fat eko mattress eko de eme eya nye abati amado to ha nye na achacha the mat alo apetogo Amedo to ha nye na mattress koko dana anyipo amlo eji. Eya ukata kwa miyele pepemebe aba the bed aba. Fike nya dana tado mlona enkena neza do mlona enkena kwa miyona tikabe aba the bed. Kebubu ha mi aga pole mi ape hodome a ike nọ na abaji abala ekemi le kpọle nọ metatala me a eya nye miape sudui pillow amado ha yo na ebe kozio la benu ka eya ji ewo zia kodo alobe ya ji emi data do ta amado yo ebe kozio sudui which is the pillow abala ekemi le kpọle nono metatala me a sudie male abalaji onyale kpokpo fine nububu ha ekemi aga kpo a eya enye mi ape abajivo the bed sheet or bedspread abajivo aha nuka emi kona abajivo kona eya emi donade mi ape abaji ha ita me rogbona be wodo aba If you have a odo abaji for the abaji, yeah, we call dressing
Dressed
abalaji.
in that, put on clothes.
That is
Put
it.
clothes on the bed.
Yes, lay it on the bed. Ta abaji vo
Dressed up the bed.
abaji vo the bed sheet abaji vo.
About people.
Eno na abalaji zigede la abaji vola no na abalaji abala ikemi le pole no no metatala o mona eji iduede abalaji mi aga pole mi ape hodome a le next slide dia eya enye mi ape mudo mosquito net mudo mosquito net le Ghana fia emudo dunami ale gbegbe emudo bo ale gbegbe tani be eli mosquito me la si o wa ke we ya enulo wonto alo be mosquito net me la si o wa ha ke nane le ele dolegbe ta mosquito net which is mudo a ihe anye mi ape home nuzaza be fi o dometo deka ikemi zana le home abala ikemi le pole nono metatala me a mudo ema odo de abalaji mudo ema odo de abalaji mosquito net alo mudo a ele nono me vovovo me amedo to no na round amedo to ha no na cha vovovo me nyana kpo fine ta abala ikemi le pole nono metatala ma miape mudo mosquito net mudo mosquito net
Mudo.
eya enyema have vovoli we have different types have vovoli different colors ohali amadede vovoli tamiape mudo eya kpomile le hodome nubu ikemi aga kpo le hodome a eya enye miape ahuhue mirror ahuhue mirror amina biabe nuka mi kona ahuhue kona eya me mi kpona hejra na mi adokiodo hafidona the dressing mirror eya me mi kpona hejra na mi adokiodo hafidona ta ahuhue the mirror eya hanye miape homenu zaza vivio do metodeka hafi mai eje amaglobe nemi be homenu zaza wa wo sugboza wole miasiza menya be miape nukpola gede anota me vanao homenu zaza gede o anota me vanao kenya fita me na kwa na mi anya le comment section nene make because the Ewe language is dialectal, our viewers might have different names for these items in their dialects. Yes, they might have different names for these items in their dialect. So, however these items are called in your dialect, kindly let us know in the comment section. Come here, the next slide. Okay. Komi cover ya. Enye miape homenu zazao bedroom items. Homenu zazao hodome nuzazao alo home the bedroom items hodome. Okay. Nya ide eji ale nkude jodope penuzazao unti kitchen items jodope penuzazao unti. Maybe be jodope a enye tepe ike mi dana nule where we cook tepe ike mi dana mi apenu dudu akple fufu moli ete mi dudu different kinds okwa mi dana ele jodope amado odunanu le jodope amedo no na kitchen adunu odobe dining table gaka amedo zigedela they prefer the kitchen amedo dunanu le jodope ta ide eji ale nkude jodope penzaza adewo pe nkowu nti abala ike megbeledo ngwa nko bubude anya no miape nukpola osi nanu ya okata ala ike mi yone le miape gbeme alo le miadea na mi anya le comment section you Let me get a jodopea. No banto ikemi akpole jodopea. Eya nyemi ape mekpli. Amedo ha oyo nebe mlekpi. Ha o atenwa gawe ebe mekpli. Eya ya le jejele fia. No ka emi ona le mekpli me. Mi doa jode mekpli me. Abala ike nono me tatala le jejea. Aha mi atenwa kpobu odo jode me krago. Ha odo jode me. Odanu ejo chile me. Jo wole jejele me. Aha ta mi ape mekpli a. Eya eme mi duo judo. Hafi danu. Kenu ka emi kodona joa de mekpli ame. Aha, emi va fizo. Nake firewood. Nake emi kodojo de mekpli ame. We use firewood in setting the fire. Eya emi kodojo de mekpli me. Tami ape nake penono me tata eki le cheche le fi. Aha, tami ko nakela kodojo de mekpli ame. Kebe mekpli ya na nyakpo ano kekelem hesia ya ezigerela mi jane mi kuochi kleba ko jane ndi si andi be wa nyakpo ta eya enye mi ape mekpli eya enye mi ape nake firewood nake. Okay,
Okay.
next slide. Nububu ha ike mi aga kpole mi ape jodope a. Eya enye mi ape klupotu. Amedo uzana eya de mekpli tepe. Amedo ha uzana yevuto ikenye cylinder. Aha, amedo ha uzana klupotu. Kene mi zana nake kodu ojode mekpli mede. Nuka emi kodu ojode klupotu me. Aka, charcoal. Aha, ta aka pe nono me tata ya le jejele fi charcoal. Eya emi ko duojo. Demia pe klupotu me. Aha, nake ha. Aha, abale kemi ko duojo de mekpli me a. Nake ha emi ko me na aka. Ikemi ko duojo de klupoti me. Nake ikemi ko duojo de mekpli me a. Aha, eya kemi ko me na aka. Akodojo de klupotu me. Okay, tafi ikemi ba dua ne babia le amadesia atem an abia babia le comment section. If you have any question, kindly let us know in the comment section. You may the next slide. Jodopen fefi bubu ha ikemi aga kpo a eya enye mi ape nudaze cooking pot. Nudaze. Aha, amede na mi meklipe ahoke meklipe French to ema le fuma. Nema mi français to oyo na enye ma ayo. Nudaze ha nye jodope nuzaza vevio dometo deka the cooking pot. Eye ya le jejele fia. Nuka emi kone wona. Eya me mi dana mi ape nududu ole. Mi dana mi ape akple kokonte agbeli. Havu voa mi dana ukatale nudazeme cooking pot. Abala ikemi le kpo le fia. Ha. Mekpli le fia. Nake le fuma ejo le bibi. Gazia le joji. Taikwa mi konake kodo jode mekpli me. Eye mi komi ape gaze kode joji le nuda. Ara da nye akplede le medao. Amerike menyao agbeliyo. Ha. Ta nono me tata ema le jeje le fuma. Ta eya nye mi ape nudaze cooking pot. Nudaze cooking pot. Nudaze the cooking pot. Aha. Ela be ye mi ko dana nuta eya ta mi ebe nudaze. Eya me mi danu leta eya ta mi ebe nudaze. Okay. Yeah, the next slide. Okay. Nubu buhai kemi agakpo le.
Pretty.
Aha, onami French to. Nu dazepe French to. Malefuma. Onami French to. Okay. Nubu buhai kemi agakpo le jodope a. Nye ze. Pot. Ze. Pot. When it comes to pot, some are made of metal and some are also made of clay. So as we can see, the one on the left side is made of metal. Atami yu ebe gaze, gaze. Ela ebe egakpo, ga, yaokowe, gakpo, yaokowe. Because this one is made of metal, we call it gaze, gaze. And this one is made of clay. This one is made of clay. We use this one for different kind of things. Mi ko dana nu vovovo. Medo opo na de chile eme. Amedo ha dana ama chile eme. Yake lekele ya okata kwa mi yona obeze e danye gato anyito mi yona okata be ze pot ze pot mi yona okata be ze shape vovovo li ezia no na no me vovovo me ta round one ya formula le fia intuvi ha le en kele fia nye epe intuvi the cover the lid nye epe intuvi
Ze.
gase. Okay, nya ide next slide. Okay, enuvevi bubu ha ikemi agakpole jodope a nye agba plates. Nimi va agba ogbo a ha le ha vovovo me. Ke mi kpo le mi left side alo le mi miame a nye agba gbaje. The flat one, agba gbaje. Nye miape plate. Me dana akplado. Amedo ha do na rice leji. Amedo ha do na yam slice. Different kinds of food o do nele eme. Ta nye miape plate. Agba gbaje. Ke nye miape dechikugba, the bowl. The bowl. Nye miape dechikugba, the bowl. Me ku adechi ado komina akpelela. Okona gakpo ko na deo. Okona ange rubber alo ange. Ko na edeo. So we have the rubber plates. We have the metal ones too. We have the ceramic ones too. Like as you can see, this is the ceramic ones. The ones here are the ceramic plates. Ike mizana koduna enu ta nye agba gbaje nye dechi kugba. Yeah, we normally serve the soup in this one. Me ku de chiado afi komina aklea de like ole goto eta. Me aklea ho de chiano na afi mi komina aklea le gbaje to aji. Okay.
Devio, Agbade,
Mommy.
Ogbe. Hello. Okay.
Eh.
You know that folk thing, right?
Okay, which is
That I play the chair economy de
me doing
Agbade.
me bear. That is it. And okay.
I know some. I'm sure there's a little child somewhere said, I've heard that.
Yeah, the video da akplade me doing the chiade me doing begbade me be. Okay.
All right. That's your interlude. Okay.
Oh, really?
Go ahead.
Okay. Can we are there, edgy?
Okay.
Yeah, that boy Mzaza bubu hale chudope le mi next slide G. Ne mi gere mi apel ne slide jia mi akpo kopu. Ha, ai ke kwa mi le fia. E anye mi ape kopu cap. Kopu cap. Amena bia be kai mi kona kopu kona. Mi kona kopu konuochi. Okay, Babiale, Dr. Wanyosi.
That's it.
Akpe eweleji. Dokumuma bia ba kopu ade manye English igbe ma mie etros baba alo yazo miawele engshropeta miawenye muyama tarko ma bia be albe kopu kla kapa o eja be de moto vovo ano alo
Enya
de
ye
kanye de ka minya na English yawe estrencho miagbolo alo miawe estrencho English yawo ta onye miawe leng shropata ke miawe agban lega o makomta ke anamnyanya ya akoda yo
yo
tala
eya ha dokola be klupotu tama glo be ye vugbe to akwe mi tro asile onene ma be ha na mo kwe kwanya eka glo mi le ka ke eya kunwa le begbe ma amado yo ne be kpulu amado eya like this ani atayo ebe chinokpulu kake nko ike mi amegede o mi yona ne a alo eike le common a eya nye kopu lekele efugbe ma oyo ebe cap oyo ne ebe cap.
okay
Okay.
yo akpe na mi we ha magbo na anya do biage cho anya do abe sabala na
Okay.
obe makweve ni yo ha Spanish yo ho yo na sabala vestepola
Ede wo anye borrowed one ede wo ademi hewo lezaza ede wo vaso enya hewo borrowed one sabala ha nye odometode ka
akpe ke makareji ba madele mi agbo fuma esrona ncho nwu ya nwa enya ya nwa ya be nko ya
ide jesi
madele mi agbo srona ncho miaƒe enyawo ƒe gɔme dzeƒewa
etymology kletɔm
okay
eli mi de jesi geɖewo ɖe agbalẽ me
enyo akpe
bena ọha okay ke nu bubu yi ke hã miagakpɔ le kɔpu xa eya nye tre calabash ame ɖe bia be nu kae mi kɔna tre hã kɔ wɔna le dzodoƒe ame aɖewo zanɛ ɖe kɔpu teƒe ame ɖewo kɔ kuna tsi ame ɖewo ɖua nu le tre me ame ɖewo be tre me nuɖuɖu gɔ hã vivi wu kɔpu me tɔ ame aɖewo hã wokɔ noa nu vovovowo hã woabe ame tsitsiwo woase gɔme wu etre hã mi eʋeawoa mi zanɛ kɔ ƒoa tsi ɖi le gbedoɖa yi mi zana tre kɔ ƒoa tsi ɖi wɔƒe vovovowo le tre hã si le ʋegbe me hã ta eya hã mi zanɛ kɔ ƒoa tsi ɖe anyi le gbedoɖa yi ta mi zana eya hã ɖe kɔpu teƒe ta mi yɔe be tre calabash tre miayi ɖe edzi kple next slide okay nu bubu yi ke hã miagakpɔ le dzodoƒea eya nye tɔkpo ame aɖewo yɔe be chesi tɔkpo bucket mizanɛ hã kɔ wɔa nu geɖewo le aƒe me mizanɛ kɔ ƒoa tsi minyana nu le eme mizanɛ kɔ dea tɔme ŋdɔ nu geɖewo le tɔkpo si abe ale yi ke kɔpu hã megble va yi be wozana nu vovovowo kɔ wɔnɛ wozana gakpo kɔ wɔna tɔkpo hã Ozana ange kone. That's why we have the metal one and the rubber one or the plastic one. Aha. Ozana ange ha kona tokbo. Ozana ga ha kona tokbo. Taike pomile fia enye eike woko gakbo. Ko this is the metal bucket. Ike aloha leun aloe makpomile. Ha aloha le ta enye tokbo si amado yona be chesi. Megbule dongo be every language ele dialecta ta nko vovovo anya no miafe nukpola osi na enu ya okata ta ale ike mi yone le miafe dialect me kwa where na mi anya le comment section mega glo ha be menye nu okata ya mi deje sile fia de mi o miafe ke yi ta be ado ko mi deje si menya be gede o wa no ta me vana miafe nukpola ha ta ape menuza sa ikenya vata me na kwa. Kindly let us know in the comment section. You. Kafi kemi vadwa Dr. Onyo mi ahodu me chocho pia de mi ahula me vide. Aha. Memi ga trogbo kwa mi aide wona oji. Akpe.
Because I paid attention then I increase.
Akpe no. Alors akpe no vi de sia danyo adombo. We fiang mi ha. Ta mi apa no kola planya sala. Mi gbona pi ye na.
Ahana no me na sanale ahana le ka they are next. Lokoji, I introduce me. So maybe he didn't know.
Pardon?
Ta miracle mi gbona pi abala mi nya na Siana convention gbona. Alabe mi afọ Siana convention ya nicho efo Cornelius akume glona mi be pe ya kele mi Siana convention adiama the pama evo ta ododo on be yona mi video bubu na mi afọ ka akoko to ya mi program ya ase alaba mi akpon yo jim ta mi tro agbo le adaba popo alo minute via de omegbe ta mi akoge pie yo akpe na no fiala ake mi akpo bie yo
Ago. Have you heard that Siena 2024 Denver has moved to a new hotel? Yes, this year's Siena convention have moved to the Embassy Suite by Hilton Loveland Conference Center, located at 4705 Clydesdale Parkway, Loveland, Colorado 80538. However, due to the high demand, we just signed a new deal for an overflow hotel at the Spring Hills, located at Loveland, Colorado 2. Denver is also determined to make this year's convention the best yet to come. So guess what? All rooms are going to be sealed for anyone who registers and books a room. The best of all, the suites are the same as $145 rates per night. The Embassy Suite is now officially sold out. So please hurry to book your room at the Spring Hills, which is at this moment have the limited single, king and double queen beds available. All suite hotel, the both hotels are all suite hotel, just for your comfort and enjoyment for the first time ever in the history of Siena. Each suite will have refrigerator, microwave and sink area, comfortable and sizable living area, pretty much a self-contained apartment. Free breakfast included with your registration. Let me tell you, this free breakfast is made to order. Local dishes will still be served at the Embassy Suite hotel premises. Airport to hotel pickups every 30 minutes. The hotel manages special free limited drinks and snacks every evening at the Embassy Suite Hotel. Wow, do I need to say more? This year's Siena convention to be hosted by the Airway Association of Colorado, Denver from August 29th to September 2nd, 2024 is going to be historical and unbelievable, unforgettable convention you don't want to miss. The convention packages remain the same. Convention registration ranges from $214 from 18 years and above, and also $135 from 10 years to 17 years. Also $90 from 5 years to 9 years. And the good news is it's free for all 4 years and below. Affordable hotel rates of $145 a night for a suite, no regular rooms at this hotel. All hotel reservations at the Crown Hotel have been automatically cancelled. Just hold your breath, that's not all. More exciting details of what 2024 Sienna Convention in Denver, Colorado, August 29th to September 2nd, it's yet to come to enjoy the best ever convention. Please go to Airway Association of Colorado.org or SiennaOnline.org to register today. Contact Cornelius Akume on +1 303 332 9788 or Francis on +1 303 875 9255 or Divine Cluche on +1 720 629 5812. Register today and book your hotel room and come, let's socialize, network, make new friends and visit the old ones and raise funds to rebuild the Eweland. Denver 2024, the best ever Sienna Convention yet to come.
Yo, economy, ta, yon to mi kwe, mi pole Sienna Convention a Vivinai, ta for Cornelius Akume play pa mo la fuma, o mi ajom, alebe, te pama o yone pe long ni baji, ta mi on to mi koge, na mi yikwa, mi koge, alo na mi ye mi atan yide YouTube, mi aji Sienna Convention, mi apo ale, Nyona ida labo vivina amobana kpan chona tafare shiade Canada, America, amochona Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria. Tafare shiade hikama ta yema nama ngulonko adekawa yema oblara fuma ta merebuna ngulonko alabana yi akwe yo.
Okay. Nyekle doctor ha mi le fuma no ben live and college.
Yo, mi va fia mi vogbe. Na mia akwera bala ke mia anglo vogbe. Mia mayo mienye kutoma kwa na vogbe. Mia akwera mia strong vogbe via de mia tangwe. Ato vogbe nyu ha.
No blow. Yo, akpe. Okay, but I do always on Namia pe nupola ople todo la ova minamia stro ebegbe pe wana oji. Mi gale enufo nkude afe menu pe nko nti eya wonle nu strom chu egba. Fi kemi vado a enye jodo pe nuzaza pe nko jodo pe nuzaza pe nko yo. Ke pomi lele fia me glova ebe eya nye topo bucket me glova ebe mizana ya ha ko na nu gede o mizana e ko kunachi le jodope amado nyana nu le eme amado ha ko de atome mizana bucket ko na nu gede o ha ta eya nye mi ape topo amado ebe Chesi kake ke he mi nyapa alo ikele komona nye topo le mi ebia odume yo mi aide eji pe next slide nububu ha ike mi agakpo le mi ape jodo pe a yo ni ale fi
Atadi ya ebi vigelo
ele vivigento ginger garlic let me see anonya le mekwa moli de komi adire ukwo evo ka gbanto ike pomi le fia eya enye mi ape atadi tupe the grinding stone atadi tupe ela ba atadi mi tunale jita atadi tupe the grinding stone atadi tupe okay ke evelie nye mi ape begba vegba, etenwe, vegba, vegba. Aha. Nemizana akpe ikele fi kotu atadi la atadi tukpe jide. Kenu kai mizana kotu na atadi le vegba me. Mizana tapoli. Tapoli. Aha, tamia be tapoli ya le fia. Eya mizana kotu na atadi le vegba me. Ke vegba ha, menya atadi komi tuna le eme o. Amado ha dunanu le eme. Ha medo mina fufu, kokonte, endudu de siade a, odune le vegba me. Amado ha kuna dechi de me, instead of dechi kuba, amado ha kuna dechi de vegba me, akodunu. Ta first one I any me atadi tupe, the grinding stone. Atadi tupe. Atadi tupe. Atadi tupe. Aha. Velia. Enye mi ape vegba. Mi eve ya oto eta ezu vegba. Vegba. Ya nye mi ape tapoli. Tapoli. Ikemi ko tuna atadi le vegba la me. Aha. Tabale kemi la atadi tupe ajipo sabola dote atadi garlic. Nuoka time alejita mi ko tuna atadi yema nye vegba nye tapoli. Okay, nya ide eji. Nupupu ike ha mi aga kpole jodope a. Nye mi afe chiwo. Aha, echi. Banto ike le fia. Nye mi afe dechifogachi. Dechifogachi. Aha. Mi kofo na dechi. Dechifogachi aha. Different types only. Alo hafufu only. Woko ega alo gakpo. Ko odeo abale ikemi le yakpo a gakpo. Ya oko we. Ede halia woko ange ko we the plastic ones. Aha. Kake ikele fia. Nye miape gakpo, which is the ladle. Ladle. Nye miape ladle. Ikemi ko fua dechi. Tami yuebe dechifogachi. Dechifogachi. Aha, dechifogachi. Okay. Ke ikele fia. Nye miape akplati. Akplati, the spatula. Akplati. Amado ha oyo nembe akple dati. Akple dati. La be ya mi ko dana akplea. Mi ko dana kokontea. Mi ko dana moli kplea. Nu gede o. Aha. Ta nye mi ape akplati. Mi gbine. Aha. Mi zane akogbi. You stir it very well. Mi ko gbine. Ta nye mi ape akplati. Amegedo yo nembe akple dati. Medongo glebe ebe language ele dialecta. Ta nko vovo wele enwa osi. Ta le ike mi o minya yo nele mi ape dialect me kwa. Na mi anya le comment section. Okay. Ike nye mama ele fia nye mi ape chi. Chi, which is the wooden ladle. The wooden ladle. Chi. Nu kami kona ha ko na. Nimi da akple avo bi kenken a. Aha, mi ko kana akple le juaji. Mi ko kana akple le juaji. Alo mi ko he le juaji. Mi ko kana akple le juaji de agbame. Aha, tane ka akple ko de agbame. Ako fo ha fine. Te ogoro fine.
Oui, lobo.
Wow, lobo. Aha, bolo fine. Ta nyanya fe chi, which is the wooden ladle. Ikemi ko kana akple ale juaji. Nyanya fe akple ati. Amegero yene be akple dati. Akple ati. Ikemi ko bina akple. Mi ko bina kokontea. Be kuma no me. Ha tana binwire. Ha nyanya akple ati. Nye dechi gachi. Ikemi ko kuna dechi. We normally use it to serve the soup. Aha, mi ko kuna dechi akoko de agbame. Aha. Alobe mi ko blue na dechi ha me. misana le dzodoƒe kɔ ƒoa detsi ta ya nye miaƒe detsiƒogatsi, eya nye miaƒe akplati, eya nye miaƒe tsi, which is the wooden ladle, the spatula kple miaƒe detsiƒogatsi. Yo, míayi ɖe edzi. Nu bubu hã yi ke míagakpɔa, eya nye miaƒe hɛ, knife, knife, nu kae mikɔna hɛ kɔ wɔna? Mikɔ wɔna nu geɖewo. Mikɔ tsona fetri, we use to slice okro. Mikɔ tsona gbitsa, mikɔ tsona sabala. Enu geɖewoe mikɔ hɛ kɔ wɔna. Ame ɖewo gɔ hã kɔ flina lã, elã yi ke bɔbɔ hã nakɔ fli. Hɛ, knife, yɔe le ƒegbe me be hɛ, knife, hɛ. Ke yi ke le eƒe axadzi le fia, eya nye miaƒe gatsi, spoon, spoon. Nu ka mikɔna ya hã kɔ wɔna? Mikɔ ɖua nu, mikɔ ɖuna nu, nuɖuɖu ƒomevi vovovowo. Ame ɖewo kɔ nua ganu, ame ɖewo kɔ ɖua mɔlu, ame ɖewo kɔ nona tea alo akɔ blu eme. Ta ya hã mikɔ wɔna enu vovovowo. Ta eya nye miaƒe nuɖugatsi eyi ke mikɔ ɖuna nu. Ke eyi ke mikpɔ va yia, eya nye detsikugatsi. Gake kea mikɔ ɖuna nu. Gake yi ke mikpɔ va yia, enye detsiƒogatsi. But this one, mainly la, mikɔ ɖuna nu. Ta abe ale yi ke megblɔe va yi be le gatsi madam, detsiƒogatsi, be metal one le, eye plastic one hã lea. Nenema ke eya hã gakpotɔ le nɛ. Ta eya gakpowo kɔ wɔe, eya ta miyɔe be gatsi. Eye aŋetɔ hã li. Lolome vovovowo nɔna esi, eɖewo nɔna sue, yi ke wotsɔ ŋkɔ nɛ be yewoe nye teatɔwo. Wokɔ ya kɔ bluna nu. Eɖewo hã wokɔ ɖuna nu. Wo katã koa, miyɔnɛ be gatsi, spoon, eye miyɔ eya be hɛ, knife. Eya hã ƒe xa vovovowo li. Lolome vovovowo le eya hã si. Ta eya nye hɛ, eya nye gatsi. Okay. Míayi ɖe edzi. Okay. Nu bubu hã yi ke míagakpɔ le míaƒe dzodoƒea, eya nye míaƒe to, mortar. Eye míagakpɔ tati hã, the pistol, to, mortar, to, eya nye tati, the pistol. So we have the mortar and the pistol. And when it comes to the mortar, we have now different types, so depending on their uses. Ekela, miko tona de, miko tona palm nut, miko tona de. Tami yuebe de toto. We use this one in pounding the palm nut. Eya nye miaƒe de toto. Mikpɔ le yi ke eme le goboa, tami kɔna edia ɖe me, atoe, akɔ ƒo detsi. And as we can see in the picture la, míakpɔ be eya kura woto de le eme kakaka ɖeɖi te ŋu. Woto de le eme kakaka ɖeɖi te ŋu.
Orange.
Ta eyi ke le fia, eya nye miaƒe fufu toto, purposely for pounding fufu. It's purposely for pounding fufu. And this one is used for pounding the palm nut. Tami kona eya akoto miaƒe fufu, ete fufu, agbeli fufu, mankani fufu, abladzo fufu, fufuwo katã kwa fufue, tami zana eya akoto fufu. Mi kona eya akoto ede. Nuka mi ko ne tati mi koto ne pistol. Tati.
Abia la shinya.
Okay, never. Okay.
Me I wanna be when I went to spend time with my family like Togo,
Okay.
they use the one for the
Pounding.
toto oko dana fufu, oko tona fufu.
Okay,
So it's
yes,
not,
amede.
yeah, they used it.
Yes, ta efebe na nyabela yo ha o keep ema purposely for fufu. Alobe for all you know la flat one ya mele e yo ogbo le fuma. Aha, maybe flat one na mele ogbo ta. E ya ele o. Aha, because sometimes la na ko ya ko to de e ga ko to fufu la the color of the fufu will change.
I don't even think that's why they do that. The point is that style here okotona fufu
Okay.
in Togo for me
Okay.
that I ate. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just that they use this style. I never even saw the short one that we use in Ghana.
Okay, so it could be that they don't have this type in Togo. It could be that they don't have this type in Togo. They might only be having this one. That is why they are using this one.
Okay.
So I think it will be purposely for fufu. Or do they pound both fufu and palm nut in it?
Yeah, I mean they have this style. It's the style that's the whole thing. They have the style for the Toto play.
Okay,
And
play
then they have the
Toto.
same style, not the same part. I mean, they're not the
Okay.
same.
Okay.
So the style, they pound fufu in there.
Okay, so
in
like
Ghana, we don't use that to pound fufu, but in Togo, as my, part of my family, they were in Togo, so I go there and I know that they use that to pound the fufu.
Okay, so it could be that
wow,
it could be that they don't have this type.
But from country to country, I think it's a decision thing. That's how.
Yes.
I don't know if everybody in Togo does that, but my family did.
Okay.
I'm bringing that up because I'm thinking this is probably more for let's say Ghana. I don't know about Benin and Nigeria, yeah. But in Togo, I know that I saw this style being used for fufuha.
Ta atawa no mebe eya togimele Togo. Fufu toto eya togimele Togo. Eya ta uzana gobuitola kotona ope fufu. Ta febe edele kun ike wo kotona fufu. Ya ke ha pe bubu ana iwa koto de. Ake me kwesi be wa to ede ple fufu le de kame ya.
No, that's not.
Okay. If
anybody knows something differently or which one is used in Benin or Nigeria, let us know.
Yes, you should let us know.
That's what I say.
Okay, me have to tell me shorta. Okay. Yo, ka abale ke me gbleva ya, kele fufu toto ajia, ya emi yona be 30. Emi yona be 30. 30 ha de totoli. Fufu toto hali. Ike mi kotuna dea ele. Ike mi kotuna fufu ha ele. Ta nyemia pe to play 30. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. You me the edge play next slide. Okay. Yes, okay. Ko pomi le fia. Banto ike le fia. Nyemia pe kusi. Basket. Kusi. Basket. Kusi. Basket. Nuka emi kona. Amedo kona ofe agba kona de eme. Ndugbawa. Amedo no kule ya. Ukodena kusi me. Amado ha kona kwe inagle. Amedo kona kusi kwe inagle. Amado ha preserve na banana de kusi me. Alo amedo buna hakodu de kusi me. Amedo ha yona kusi ya be abaka. Abaka. Ela be megblebe every language ele dialectal. We have the Anglo, the Tong, the Vedome. ta nkɔ vovovowo nɔna nu ɖeka si. Ata me be miaƒe nukpɔlawoa, le yi ke wonya yɔnɛ le wo gbɔ koa, nona mianya ne miasrɔ̃ eya hã kpe ɖe eyi ke minya xoxo ŋu. Ta eya enye kusi alo abaka. Kusi alo abaka, which is the basket. The basket. Okay. Ke yi ke le egbɔa, eya nye miaƒe gbadze. Gbadze. The sieve. Gbadze. Sieve. Ame aɖewo yɔnɛ be agbadze. Ame aɖewo yɔnɛ be agbadze. Mi yɔnɛ be gbadze hã. Te ŋu agayɔe be gbadze. Agbadze. Wo katã koa, enu ɖeka koe mi le referring to le fia. Nu kae mi kɔna ya hã kɔna? Mi kɔ srana nu. Sigele la mi kɔ srana agbelimɔ. Be wa me fine. Ame aɖewo hã kɔ srana gali. Wokɔ srana gali kple sebe kumawo le mea wa do le eme. Wokɔ srana nu geɖewo. Kokoŋte, ebli, ayi, enu geɖewo. Wokɔ srane kple sebe enua name. Ta eye nye miaƒe sieve. Sieve. Agbadze alo gbadze. Ya hã mi kɔ srana enu. Ya hã nɔna miaƒe dzodoƒe. Ke yi ke kpɔ mi le eƒe axa, eya nye miaƒe gagba, basin. Gagba, basin. Gagba, basin. Nu kae mi kɔna eya hã kɔna? Mi kuna tsi ɖe eme le dzodoƒe. Mi nyana nu le eme. Mi kɔnɛ de atɔme. It has a lot of uses. Mi kɔnɛ wɔa nu geɖewo. Gagba ya hã, ele nɔnɔme vovovowo me. Eƒe gobuitɔ le. Eɖewo hã le gbadze yi ke mele gobo too much o. Eyi ke wokɔ gakpo kɔ hã eli. Abe le ke mi le kpɔ le nɔnɔme tata mea. This one is made of metal. Aluminium. Alo be ega. Ya wokɔ wɛ. Wogakɔ aŋɛ. Plastic hã kɔ wɔ ɖewo. We have the rubber bowls too. Gake eyi ke le fia enye gagba, basin. Basin. Yi ke mi zãna eya hã le dzodoƒe. Okay, miayi ɖe edzi. The next slide. Okay. Miaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ le enu vɔ. Okay. Eyi ke mi gale kpɔkpɔ le fia. Wo katã mi yɔ be broom. Broom. Wo katã koa mi yɔna wo be Gake eyi ke le fia, mi zãnɛ kɔ kplɔna xɔme. Mi zãnɛ kɔ kplɔna xɔme elabe eƒe nugbɔ le ebɔbɔ, eƒe nugbɔ bɔbɔ, eƒe nugbɔ le soft. Ta mi zãnɛ kɔ kplɔna xɔme. Ke eyi ke le titina, eya nye miaƒe tsitrenuxa. The standing broom. Tsitrenuxa. Elabe ɖe mi nɔna tsitre. Hafi zãnɛ akɔ kplɔ nu. We use it while standing. So this is the standing broom. Eya nye miaƒe tsitrenuxa. Ke eyi ke le fia, eya nye miaƒe bayaxa. Eya hã mi kɔ kplɔna xɔme. So, wo katã koa mi yɔnɛ be Exawo hã li vovovovo. We have different types, different kinds. Ta eyi ke le fia, mi kɔ kplɔna xɔme. Eya mi kɔ kplɔna compound xixe. Mi kɔ ya kɔ kplɔna compound tsitrenuxa la. Mi kɔ kplɔna compound. Ke bayaxa la hã mi kɔ kplɔna xɔme. So eya nye miaƒe xa. The broom. Ke tsitrenuxa eya nye standing broom. The standing broom. Elabe mi nɔna tsitrenu hafi zãnɛ akɔ kplɔ nu. We use it while standing. Eya hã nye miaƒe bayaxa ke mi zãna. Ayo, blewu kwa klo le azɔlia dzi. Okay, Dana mi be babia.
Bere kuku, nye biabia nye bere. my notice there. Yenedo ha, which is knife. And show the knife. The knife had H. And I wanted to ask you, because I was expecting it to be ha, like I let me wanna the sound or like I let me ha. The knife had the H. So we're paying attention. We are paying attention. Oh.
Okay.
People all over the world. So then I said, why is that so easy? Ha.
That one is.
I say hey, but that hey. And then here we have the the X where only the sound makes the difference. Look at that language.
Okay, they are different letters, so they refer to different items. Ta ehela H ejegome. The and this one is
so that is
he.
Hey.
That's the letter.
Okay. Ita H alaf mado.
Ebe.
Mabe ita H.
Ela be H line.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Ha is
okay.
X.
Right. X. I see, but I noticed that and I wanted to ask, and I didn't know this was going to be the X one.
Okay.
Okay. Akwe. We todo now. Okay. Yes, many the cow.
Menyabe nkola kata ha. Ole chore kade kanami.
We'll soon see all of them watching.
Ta enu ya okata onyi fonu chwa ne amademe senane gomel. Hello baby ala medesia. Nenu nami anyale comment section. Nona nemi anyale comment section.
Okay.
Ew.
Akwe.
Ew. Ke blo kwa. Nyeko egbe pen sosro ha kole en wude fi. Ake danami egba doda sile mi asi. Doda sile mi asi. Doda sile mi asi na mi ape enu pola onu sela opete kwa. Doda sile mi asi. Mi ele next slide. Ta misro nu kude ya okata unvai. Ta nko kaele osile vegbeme. Misro vai. Ta mi ape doda sienye ya. Enu ya okata ike mi deje si de fi de. Leke mi yona ole vegbeme. Mi ape nu pola o. Slide evelia. Mi de kuku slide evelia. So from 1 to 8. Mi ape doda sienye ya. Be mi adi nkona eya ole vegbeme. Mi adi nkona eya ole. Dana mi ebi aglonyare na mi ya. Kusi. Yanye namba nene.
I'll say kusi. Mene kusi. I'll say kusi. Yeah, kusi.
Okay. Ta kusi yenye namba nene. Kusi yenye namba nene.
Yenye namba. Aton.
Enyonto.
I went to Aton. I didn't say five. I said Aton.
You don't want to say it in English. You don't want to say it. Doctor, when you have your glory, can I mean
Aton ye dana mi go.
Ya oglobe kusi. I can be a glonami.
Enyi manya nuyema.
Enyi.
Makura ad abaya. Hello.
Okay. Bayaha. Bijagbanto. Ka poto ya ekpore mi ape nusela ogbo. Our viewers. They should help us in answering the rest.
I know. They should tell us.
Doda siema. Ta afima unwa maglobe. Let me be household items wa domestic items wa meglodongo be osuboza. We have a lot of them. Ta menya be gedeo wano tame na miape nukbolao alo miape nuselao. Modern one ha ole. Miape jodo peo, miape hodomewa. We have the modern ones too. Nkule bubu ifiamile nkupubu hei yome. Ta nuole totro hesiai. Ta menya be gedeo wano tame na miape nukbolao. Play nuselao. Me global have because the AV language is dialectal. Different names so on items the kasi. Ta ale ike mi ha mi nyayo ne le mi ape dialect me kwa na na mi anya. Le ike nwa ha subu a. Ike nya va opesi sume kwa. Uha na mi anya the comment section. Ta mi akọ fia ike to ha akoku atide efi consider ike gbo kwa. Miaga ide wonauchi akpenami oyo the siadenyo Regina Adombo akpe
Akpekaka itakwamento akpekaka listen
Yema ta mieda akpena Siana Media da akpena Dr. Dogbe kle apeno the Seattle new Regina Adombo cho no strong fe alo no strong lao have le sukukoko ikele Winneba alo the University of Education Winneba Department of Early Education Siana Media dakpanami de miafe do yo memile ta ye mi dakpana miafe nukola okata. So we thank our viewers for tuning in today. Akpanami, akpakaka. Danami, Merakunya Relashua.
Akpanami kaka. And every time we say akpe, it also goes all the way to the very beginning of who was here, who has come through, and who is to come. Thank you very much. Dr. Dide.
Yeah. Ow.
Yeah. Dr. D, akpelo.
Danami, akpenami kata kple Dr. Wanyo kple amasheme kele todo mami. Alo do to me siai egale ncho mamle na gbeji ne ma for me ga mo palo ga le ya makola mi aga dogu aga to me pe gbadeji le danami pe nufo ma pobe obe mi ape ngolo jesi ado yo le amado flu be Victor alo hma the English gbema ple kenye xma le English gbema ple ha yama le English gbemo fa gbema ku mi ponele mi zana le san first spelling ma alo ne mi le when we are dancing mi redum the sign we used to write those things out and ko bele for them na mado wo yo da fu na mado ta na mi nwa so mi na via mi bona ngolo jesi adawo fia degema be mi no pom ai le mi yoni plenya yo ma o general na ha ya de jesi be egba so thank do wo na mana mi aduma to amagade akpena amasiama mi na mi to egba ado wa yiji University of Education Winneba bele mi gbane dana mi ha no so lawo le fagbama ye le Ghana kata mi okonye diplomatic tuna sona bagba yi na regi to the biology tami wana bagba cho undergraduate vadas na PhD level proficiency mi do na ba mi awe bagba na chireji le nto de siadema mi gba jege ba unso pana kakata agade to kabu boma ba vito mi no vio kele Ghana Togo ple Benin do Nigeria unto ma ha ne ma o dollar mi kwa lo ne mi kata mi wo mo wonyo la mi ate $1 mi ni ona gba na kaka akeketa ado af mo kata gake makara be jele ke le to dum siana TV ko to sian le ejije ga nyure tam do da ma sian bo be mamle la bang fafia ma o ga no anglom be no yire wo to go ni me le strom ko kakagere anyeba kataji akpanami.
Akbekaka. Thank you very much. It's great, and we're very grateful. Very grateful.
Yo, akpe na mi gata ke yema egba to ha fie mi ko sede ma ta mi da akpe na
Doc, my name Ahade.
Ahade baba ge enye achi agbeko nye Ahade enye popo are to bi Kaya Echo University of Education Winneba Alaba Dr. Dogwe no glombe enye ngike yo wona nenye be yo mfiala kwa yo na wakata wona ngia ta Kaya Echo afuma ta baba pie.
You haven't started and I'm dancing.
Yes, I can see that.
I'm excited. Bring it on.
Dr. Dogwe, miracle atano pomcho
let me no Department of Every Education na manya gbala hakle bla agbala won ja ko mi sona agbala won lo mi sona mi ade konu kata ha mi sona fofo erudu ta le mi apa so pa do my global the first 2 years me on a theory finally me on a practical ma fofo erudu plus to kata only yemi na jore won hanye is also an examinable course e kami wona ba vire kama do le du koma alors doto mia pa department a hokao alo adoko manya no master du kogoma mi ko ba amagere nye awawo gakawo master vinya gomo tado ko jure kwa mako gakanu ke wona me wonya na vi via o ma digestion ta mi pa gba sese agbogbo agba do ma petoy agba fa konu ple manu wona wala la sia ala ba vi nu ma we fofutu nu sofo ado ala banene na ba mi ngbo sonwu owosu la atenwa gada de khama pa akpa ay ke o ba vinya ma kpanguna o awon blanye ba mi apa amanguta gada amaronya esata ta ku manola lo politician MP so mi apa fiero on to ha apa gba dodo ba wono la garoi ga kana ko hele vama o develop gba anye dada akoro boju da enwe ke ji na daro blibo na ta mi amaro yes o jimire vama anya tepe nyese bagba yemi do bagba ha ga kene maro tafado ni jina ba mi ada mi apa va vinye anyenyo that afia that holistic production of an every creature making you a true every person but va vinye na do so that va vinye ma gano susuma kunao agaka wono awojima ano wojichinyama ano wosusuma so the language and your personality as an ever will be found in your conscience, in your heart, in your mind, so that holistically you will feel yourself and always try to exist as an ever. We will have that permanent change and attitudinal change to realize that we are everest. First, as ordained or as desired by God to make us everest. But para kama nyona mi uba miazo ba vi o tamega na no sola wala ma. Mi avi o nyabo jode abadu ko pa tepo vuvu. Yero ma jode ba nye ba jota. Ajo mi a bo waji da ba du koma. Bana tuma am jilado li ha tetimana baro aso ba. Oh have our own you have a voter regime you can't find again but much voter regime that echo in a sort of voter regime that echo chigo time me up no so strong who will a view na deblibo le afinyanyama but me atem one get up when you back do the shadow for no to the shadow alaba na pamela de department ha Angloli, Avanoli, Tongola Miaduma, Vadamaoli. Miapa Sukuvio ha, Nanamai, a guy can Miangona, you can you have a standard woman and Kay can you do Nella, a recommend Brona, made the morning by Mashamana to a department. Alaba, ye woman years were a mother cow. Kalangoma, Bamiaga Toto Mianu Dumo, Yakumia, Mian Ashidem. No matter told Pemia among Amaha, Manya Anglong Melo, Manya about the Monglo Melo, Manya Palong Melo, Manya Tongo Melo, Mia Chonyo Wakatama, Dashiji, Hangona, Kakalabogloma, Talas, Lasukoma, Miwomia, Mia, Amia, Miadokyo, one united every group. But you banalike. Sugo la miasi gaka azuba mietrozu dola la tapadaka yemi sobo ha mi onu fela mi ma tokwe la fia ta nanyaba miekpo alodoma lao bango lao klepere to la bu havu voma miafi ho la klalo akpere mi le amo gara unba miapo so na da so ba mi atagere abaduko pa awlo banyi ba akpa boboji adenu mana mi anu ba amara kanye yakala departmenta na kakade abanu to katama ala ba vire ke ma gano no bi akpoga ba we togo to na enenye we eni to nenye we abadu to nenye awo mi kata ba o mi ba mi akaka ma atu banyi ba so that we will eliminate that political or those political boundaries should be eliminated from our minds.
Cut off. Should be cut off.
We will see ourselves as one nation. Like miatima de miadokunu, miadokafia. Na here but mia develop some other dialects to be on their own as a language. I'm like we have the American English, British English, and the others. We can also have the Ewe like that. The Togo Ewe. Ghana Ewe.
It's true.
We can also see that so that we bring different variants. We can do it. We are capable of doing it.
I believe we can.
Yes.
I believe we can with what we're seeing coming out of the University of Winneba. Yes. I mean, it really, and your students are really, really good. I mean, the teachers actually they are over there, but look at these young ones. These teachers too. They're really. So I really believe what you're saying. It's gonna happen. It can happen if that's what we want. I was going to say something. Just go on. But I think any way we want to say it, any way we want to do it, it will work. And then with your teaching styles, and all that, it's really going to work. Very soon we'll be able to give you some virtual students, where we're working on that. We're really working on that. So some virtual students will come on. Dr. W, Medalakba. We're working on it.
Yeah. So we forgot Dr. Wonyo Bonafia is from the department. Just last year students, their practical lesson, which we assess and mark them. One of them is what is coming now, economy. This year too, we will do it again. Every year, it is a course that the students take, and then they perform, and we mark them. Okay.
Very good. Okay. So when you're hello, Nejo. Neho, right? That's what you say. Neho.
Afia Hanava Yema Dr. Dogbeglo. Alabe Enya de Makpo Cho Egbegbo Eglobe Obe de Inka. Absolutely nothing is so important for any nation's culture as its language.
It's
right?
Yeah.
Just to summarize,
absolutely. Say it again,
said.
please. Absolutely nothing
So
is
it's
so
on the
important for a nation's
screen.
culture.
Absolutely nothing
Absolutely.
is so important for a nation's culture as its language. Ta alabe efiaba nanake malavavien eduadeke alo amadeke ofe the konu alo ofe anyinono abe ela be egba ela be nuyane ela be ekane ekai oko a long way. So it's like a thread. So if the language disappears, then the way of making a rope or making anything, or maybe making kete or anything, that also disappears.
Will also be gone.
Everything is based on that culture. So that is why there is now a lot of emphasis on preserving languages. So it's very important that we preserve our language. And here be the time Dr. Dogbegbo. Ta nemiva ma miajiba mo na vakpede Dr. Dogbe playpa mon the department alabe maybe mara tanva ava nade gatobe ya akpede strong lang le department ma ala bafma o na vagbe no fiala le ma ta no fiala malia kala ke amo ga fia strong vagba ke le miape eduo katama vagbe strong ma ganyi no go ta ahia be na mia awomi mia na mia kpede onchi na wachi be
Deka wawa
Vossa.
all right.
Yo ke yema ha gbona yo
I have no clue how to dance it, but I have a feeling I can tell.
Mama, I'm a papa, who many panami. Yana chapter of you. I chat upon your who go to a talamoma. Oh, you are back the call. Let my better shipper, who did a factor to my papa liazo. Para legi about the loud touch, your boy, Lavaja. No, for all you do with that. Okonya achia, opara gbomu, eba achia gbo, abalo legba ile. Abla aba omagayo, enta opo biele tebo fufu aba kutefo o. Fianu opo plaza rupa o. Le huya fukuma, tadodo to kere no zofila, fufu la utume. Ala bo, fubere share ikina zakuno fua, iba chiero fula wana. Ozaga Obi Hache Botoji Roboto Gidi Tagaun Bachimobula Biafoma. Tanaka Toto Boy, Afunare Dimantona Punko, Akasikaya, Opa Chaka, Do Reggie Ablalichi. You never found Penyoneta at the son of Monau. Of Yata
I know that's right.
It's from University of Education, Dr.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Dana man and Gongano. That's Dana at the
Oyema.
front. That's Dana.
Dabi afie malangogba
I
he.
feel like Gongano.
You know, I was thinking that it might be one of you. I don't know. I thought about that in the beginning.
Okay.
I'm just telling you.
I see.
Dana mi ma.
Hey, that's a easy leg. You can't see. You can't see me.
You can't see
We
it.
can see you. We can see you.
You can see me. Oh, okay.
Ernest is also there. Dana mi, can you see Ernest? Can you see Sekare? Ernest.
Okay.
Ernest is there.
Energy.
Yes, yes. That's Ernest. 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 That's Ernest.
Ernest, that's Ernest. Those two rascals.
Emma.
I forgot what this is called. What is this called? No, my name. In the person thing. Clo. Yeah, Clo. See, I'm using your.
So you can't bend down.
Nobody else remember. So what did she say? This is called again. Boys are lifting up. I don't have to read my club in this one. Very nice.
Afiema.
Ernest, I go. That's We'll learn. We'll have to teach the younger one children. coming. It should be like a fighting stance, you know.
Yes.
Where's the enemy?
For
Come
war.
here.
Yeah, man. Akpe na me. Yo.
Very good, very good. Thank you
Akpe,
very much.
akpe.
That was nice.
Yo.
That was great. That was
Nyawe.
great.
Akpa. Dohe
And
bada
now
kabe
we
bona.
can say we know some people in that.
Yeah, dohe bada kabe bona huo choge. Nu fafio katala huo mo, nu so katala huo mo. Afora dawo, garudo, ala sio dada. Gobasa sio kala o shikle ululation kata huo na ululation. Ashipuno kata huo na gobasa sio kala shi la bao doma. Bada kabe bona pogo chungo la mia pa orang letri apakpaji. Le ko mo do kakule mia de konwo le ka wo mi heavyweight de je shimika no kata ta wo san la wo la roma sa selamia le shi le na mi abawo ye yi li wana no mawo ye go sa selem do hi mi bana mo shega chuma mo han ba wa de fa be nya fia
Dog, me and Globe, anyone of possible this service, Tala.
This
No, I got competition now. Sienna TV, na project live. Name me
Yo.
uncle.
You see?
So this
Yeah,
service
yeah.
coming out in college.
Yo.
Doc,
Anyo.
Jashi, dance teacher there, teach now very dancing. Called, I forgot the full name, but it's like baby, oh, boy baby or boy baby. Many of the he's a big lecturer in Legon. Boy
yeah
baby. I took every dancing lesson from him.
yeah I will wo yo na every dance group ka le gombe abibi groma. Alors, Bibi Groma, où elle fait la danse, elle mania les gonkonko au besdo, elle channel venu baji, ye fia dancing star, le dancing form vraiment. At a time he will come to Legon and though he's stationed in Legon, alors he's a lecturer in Legon,
Yeah.
that during the performance time, we Vana Agajo Achawafigaza. So yeah, Legon and we also have some teachers of the dance ensembles, le Miapa Theatre Art Department, the University of Education, Winneba campus. When you they teach the different types of the dance in Ghana here. We are also planning that. Never know each of me dance now also as a course. Let me abo e ke manya be mia ko language as also ako akpedem but the performance side of the dances, we have a strong tune as a course on you come. Pure language and sometimes I'm only Agbalance also the mono allo, the mono allo, but they are very good in dancing. And more can give them those trainings so that they will improve upon it. Football I don't the Agbalance also the mono, but I got thing for a ball new. So we need not to let those talents be left out when we are building the areas holistically. Down the Shadakala Mashamashia. Don't he? Let me let you go. Will bring everybody on board. Alaba Videka, Manonika, Maho, Ehele, Akbarako, Akbanami.
Yo.
Akbaka, see, everybody wants to know what's going on in the ever land. I mean, ever world, I should say. So you've given us a lot of information too, and some extras.
Yo. Akpenami, Dr. Dogbe, Claire, Feno, the Siadenyo, the Claire Dynami, Egba Obe, Afia Miavakwe Sedonia, Alabe, Mia Globe, Nanek Bona, Ike Washington to over Azaduga. Ta hema mie poga Vienna mi aba mi ako mi o mola mi atoda onchi Washington DC District of Columbia the capital region Open Association anniversary aloha zaduga egbona theater ke mi adoda won mi apo na ngabala mi nyana Miejana Gomecho Afidagbe Friday. So Friday with African Jazz Panorama by F4 Lawrence Mawenyega, and then Chofma Memedagwe F4 Steve Blair Empress Maushi on Siena Central. Alabe Chofma Nina de Bobobo. Dunenyo Bobobo, Ikenye Wanada Ikele Siana Media, play Top Radio or Top Media Ghana, Dome, Ta Davi Emafa, Authentic Mama, ye wanna show ma. Afi Chofuma Kemiva Dore Miago, Ikenye Strong Vegbe, Iketana mi.
And we have fun.
That Vero.
We have fun.
Yema da Vero play F4 Saros playing to me one play the Department of Every Education. Ni kemi kona amo abe Dr. Dogo play strong la play Nufiala Bubu le afuma yena begba David Sia Danyo Adombo play Dr. Dogo la fia. Ta mi apo ona oma ta penami be mi adore mi achi afia koshira nenyo koshira bona nyanyo mi aga dogo
yo nenyo na mi ha
yo
mi aga dogo na ma wo
yo
okay
apena mi kaka
yo
thank you okay doc
yo
Ao mi glena bosanuba ao vlo novio mi glena satana ba ao vlo novio mi glena bosanuba ao vlo novio mi glena satana ba ao vlo 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 mi glena bosanuba ao vlo novio mi glena satana ba ao vloe ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jo
Yes, the Airway Association of Washington, D.C. Metro Incorporation is 40 years old. Yes, we are 40 years old. The leadership and entire members of the Washington, D.C. Metro Incorporation cordially invite you and your family to join us for an epic dinner dance and other activities in the grand style to celebrate this milestone. Date Saturday, June 22nd, 2024. Venue the Salvation Army Hall located at 2021 Aircraft Drive, Germantown 20874. On Sunday, June 23rd at 10 a.m. we'll hold a Thanksgiving joint church service at 506 Street Frederick Avenue. Crown it all at 2 p.m. with sumptuous and most delightful picnic of the year amidst DJ music and cultural performances that you cannot afford to miss. Location: Bonrock Park, Johannesburg, MD 20877. This is the best ever celebration of a lifetime you cannot afford to miss. Airway Association of Washington, D.C. Metro Incorporation, uniting generations through leadership and development. Links to purchase tickets are coming out soon. See you on June 22nd and June 23rd. Airway Association of Washington, D.C. Metro Incorporation. Nusa Ledekawa Woman.
Yo, Apenami, Tayema, Washington, D.C.
Ekpa driver afima heduma.
Yo, Tayema, Akpeka. Tasiana Media. Me afuma no ga. Mausa, me get me and a cover.
Yo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Be the last person to leave.